Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. I'm UV Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the newly unveiled Škoda Kushaq midsize SUV. Škoda India has unveiled their brand new midsize 5-seat Kushaq SUV, which will go against the likes of the Hyundai Creta and the Kia Seltos, and will also be the first Škoda model to be made in India for the world. Škoda India has also confirmed that the new Kushaq will be launched in the month of June, with the test drive vehicles being available in showrooms by July. In this video, we are going to take a detailed look at the exterior and interior features of the new Kushaq SUV. To begin with, the Škoda Kushaq is based on the design language seen on the Vision India concept showcased at the Delhi Auto Expo earlier in the year 2020. The new Škoda Kushaq is based on the MQB A0 India platform, which has been specifically developed and derived for India. Talking about dimensions, the new Škoda Kushaq will be 4225 mm in length, which makes it around 75 mm shorter than the Hyundai Creta. However, the new Škoda Kushaq boasts of segment-besting wheelbase at 2651 mm, which is precisely 41 mm more than the Hyundai Cretas. In terms of design language, the Škoda Kushaq carries forward most of the design elements seen on the Vision India concept showcased at the Delhi Auto Expo. The large butterfly grille at the front adds to the width of the Škoda Kushaq, lending it great presence. The Škoda Kushaq's top spec variants also get the typical split headlamp setup, which provide auto leveling function as well. The front fog lamps are located just below the main headlamps, lending the Kushaq a unique appeal. The lower bumper also boasts of a large intake, while the car gets black cladding all around, while also featuring black cladding on the wheel arches. The front and rear bumpers also get silver finished skid plates to add to the SUV appeal. Moving towards the sides, the Škoda Kushaq gets 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels on the top spec variants, while also getting functional aluminium roof rails as standard. The side body panels feature clean and sharp shoulder lines, which start from the Škoda branded fore-vent on the front fenders, going all the way up to the tail lamp through the door handles. The top spec variants are also expected to receive chrome finished door handles along with a chrome finished window line. Staying true to the Vision India concept, the Škoda Kushaq also features a split tail lamp setup at the rear. All new Škoda models will feature the bold Škoda branding at the center of the tailgate, right above the number plate housing, and the reverse camera is mounted in the number plate housing, while a shark fin antenna is also available on the roof. Getting inside the Škoda Kushaq, you will get to see a clean and neatly designed dashboard with a layered design theme, offering different textures and materials, along with a long list of features. Similar to the new Škoda Superb, the Kushaq will also offer the latest design 2-spoke steering wheel with knurled metal finish controls on either spokes, while the steering rim itself is wrapped in beautiful leather. The Škoda Kushaq offers a triple-tone interior theme with black on the dash top and the door pad tops and beige on the lower part. The middle layer of the dashboard is finished in a textured faux metal finish running across the width of the dashboard. The top spec variants also offer a centrally mounted large 10-inch touchscreen system. This 10-inch touchscreen system also offers wireless Android Auto Apple CarPlay connectivity along with My Škoda Connect connected car features, offering facilities like live tracking, geofencing, driving behavior monitoring, trip analysis, records and warnings, along with remote locking and unlock facility, while also offering remote function for the horn and lights. This large 10-inch touchscreen system is also mated to 6 Škoda branded speakers and a subwoofer located in the boot. The Škoda Kushaq also offers touchscreen based Climatronic control, which is basically a touch operated console for the automatic climate control system located right below the AC vents. Other significant features on offer on the Škoda Kushaq include ambient lighting, front ventilated seats, leather upholstery on the seats and the door pads, easy open rubber grip mats on the cup holders, which helps in opening a water bottle with just one hand, reflective door strips on the edges of the doors, and other features including cruise control, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, a cooled glove box, front and rear armrests, and rear AC vents. The Škoda Kushaq also offers an electric sunroof along with wireless charging on the top spec variants. That said, unlike the Škoda Karoq, the Kushaq will not offer a virtual cockpit instrument cluster display and instead offer analog dials for the tachometer and the speedometer with a TFT instrument cluster MID at the center. In terms of safety features, the Škoda Kushaq is expected to offer ESP traction control, all-wheel disc brakes, ABS with EBD, 3-point seat belts for all passengers, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and dual airbags across all variants, while the top spec variants are expected to offer 6 airbags, keyless entry with push-button start, and connected car tracking and safety tech. In terms of practicality, the Škoda Kushaq will offer 385 liters of luggage capacity, which though not as large as the Hyundai Cretas or even the Renault Kaigers, will offer 60-40 split folding rear seats as standard and will be very well shaped. In terms of powertrain, the new Škoda Kushaq is expected to offer 2 engine options. The first one being the 1-liter 3-cylinder TSI petrol engine, first seen on the Škoda Rapid. This engine produces 115 PS of maximum power and 175 Nm of maximum torque and will be available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. The second engine option will be the 1.5-litre 4-cylinder TSI petrol engine, first seen on the Skoda Karoq. And this engine will produce 150 PS of maximum power and 250 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. The new Skoda Kushaq SUV will be launched by the end of June this year within the price range of 10 to 14 lakh rupees ex-showroom, competing against the likes of the Hyundai Creta, the Kia Seltos, Nissan Kicks and the Renault Duster. Stay tuned for further updates on the new Skoda Kushaq and its launch. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.